Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter place values, and the lessons we're going to cover today are write numbers as tens and ones, convert between tens and ones, place value models up to 100, write numbers as tens and ones up to 20. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, here I'm on grade 1 math. The chapter we're working on is place values. So let's just start with the lesson. Write numbers as tens and ones. Type the missing number 7 tens plus 3 ones. So basically the word ones and tens, that tells you the place value of the digits, right? Three ones means 3 is at the ones position and 7 tens means 7 is at the tens position, right? So you have to keep the place value chart in your mind. I'm going to make place value chart here. You can make this chart on your notebook, and the rightmost digit, the last digit you can say, is always the digit that is at the ones position. Then right one next to ones digit, you have the digit that is at the tens position. Then after 10, the next one is at the hundreds position. So you have 7 tens plus 3 ones. That means 3 is at the ones position and 7 is at the tens position, and together they make the digit 73, right? So you can see 3 is the last digit, so 3 is at the ones position. Then the next digit is the 7 that is at the tens position, right? So let's just start with the tens position. So basically, whenever you have written the words ones and tens, it tells you the position of the digits, right? Type the missing number, two tens and seven ones. So which number together they make? Yes, together they make 27. Seven ones means 7 is the digit that is at the ones position and 2 is the digit that is at the tens position, right? So you have to keep the place value chart in your mind. The rightmost digit is always the ones digit and then you have 10. So together they make the digit 27. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? They make the number 27. Option 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is type the missing number. 4 tens plus 9 ones. So which is the correct option? So 9 is the digit that is at the ones position. The last digit it is, right? Then you have before 9 you have the digit 4. So together they make, when you make a place value chart, 9 is at the ones position and 4 is at the 10. So together they make the digit 49, right? Option number 2 is the correct option. Type the missing number, 5 tens plus 3 ones. So which is the correct option? Which digit they make? That means 3 is at the ones position, yes, and 5 is at the tens position. So together they make 53. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. 53 it is, not 35. Because 3 is, you have 5 tens and 3 ones. So the last digit is at the ones position and then you have 10. So together they make 53, not 35, right? Okay, type the missing number. 5 tens plus 1 ones. So which is the correct option? That means 1 is at the ones position and 5 is at the tens position, right? So the digit they make is 51. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. 6 tens. So which is the correct option? You have no ones given here, right? Whenever you have no ones, right? The place value chart is always the same ones and then tens. 6 is at the tens position. You have no ones given. That means 1 is. You have 0 at the ones position, right? So the digit they make is 60. If you are not given with the digit at any place, that means there you have a 0, right? Like here you are given just 6 tens, right? So that means the one digit is always 0 because the first digit, the rightmost digit is always the digit that is at the ones position, right? So the correct option is 60. 60 it is, not 6. Okay, the next one is 5 tens plus 7 ones. Which is the correct option? 5 tens and 7 ones. That means the last digit is 7 and before 7 you have 5, so that is 57. No, not 75. Just listen to me carefully. The last, when you make, keep this place value chart in your mind. The rightmost digit is always the ones digit. Then you have tens and then you have hundreds, right? So you are given 7 tens and 5 ones. So it make together they make the digit 75, not 57. No, I think that is, yes, 5 tens and 7 ones. Sorry, sorry. 5 tens and 7 ones. So if you make a place value chart, that is ones and tens. So 7 ones and 5 tens together they make the digit 57, right? The correct option is 57. Type the missing number 9 tens. Now you are not given with the digit that is at the ones position. So that means the digit that is at the ones position is 0, right? So this is the place value chart ones and tens. So 9 is at the tens position, so one's digit is 0. So together they make the digit 99. Tens means you are just given the tens digit, so one's digit is 0. The correct option is 90. Okay, the next one is 7 tens and 3 ones, which is the correct option. 7 tens and 3 ones means the digit they make is 73. Right? Option number 2 is the correct option. 73 it is. Type the missing number 2 tens and 1 ones, which is the correct option. Yes, it is 21, right? The digit they make is 21. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, right? The next lesson is convert between tens and ones. Okay, 8 tens, right? You are given 8 tens. You need to count how many ones in 8 tens, right? So 8 tens means it is 80. You are not given with the ones digit, right? So 8 tens means 80 it is, right? So when you have the number 80, that means you have 80 ones. From 8 tens, you can make 80 ones, right? The next example is you have 60 ones given. You have to see how many tens you have. 60 ones means you have counting from 1 up till 60, right? So when you have the counting from 1 up till 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you have from 11 to 20. Then you have 21 to 30. Then 40. Then you have 50 and 60. So if you count the number of tens, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. So that is 60 ones equals 6 tens, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, 3 tens equal how many ones? Which is the correct option? 3 tens means you have counting from up till 1 up till 30, right? Yes, that is. So from 1 till 30, you have 30 numbers. So you have 30 ones. 3 tens, 30 ones. Very good. 30 ones. Okay, 91. So you have counting from 1 up till 90. How many times you have? When you have counting from 1 up to 90, you have 1, 10, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80, and 90. These are the tens you have from 0 to 90. And how many times you have 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means you have 9 tens equal 90 ones. Yes, it is 9 tens. The correct option is 9 tens equal 90 ones. Yes, that is 9 tens equal 90 ones. Okay, the next one is 6 tens equal how many ones? 6 tens equal 6 tens means that is 60, right? You have counting from 1 up till 60, right? That means you have 60 ones. The correct option is 60 ones, right? The correct option is option number 2. No, not 6 it is. It is 60 ones. You have counting from 1 up till 60, right? So there you have 60 ones. Just understand 6 tens means that is 60. 6 is at the tens position. The ones digit is 0 and together they make 60. Hello. Okay, so 90 ones equal how many tens? Yes, 90 ones means you have 9 tens. The correct option is 9 tens, right? Very good. Okay, you have 110 equal how many ones? One tens means you have 110 means just 10, right? So from 1 to 10 you have only 110. The correct option is 110, right? It is one many ones, yes. So from 1 to 10 you have 10 ones. The correct 10 ones, right? 10 it is 10 not 1, sorry. 110 equals you have to see how many ones there. So why you have 10 ones there, right? Okay, the next one is how many tens equal 20 ones? So 21 means you have from 1 to 20. So then how many tens you have there? Yes, that is just two tens. In 20 ones, you have just two tens, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is place value models up to 100. So we have already this value model, right? Here is the place value model ones, tens, and hundreds, right? The last digit is the digit that is at the ones position, right? Okay, which number is shown, right? You can see the big one, the one complete line with 10 small blocks represents the 10, right? And the one you have the single squares, they represent the ones. So you have to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7 ones and 110. You have one complete line of 10 blocks, right? So the one complete line of 10 blocks represent 1, and the you have the blocks, single blocks represent the digit that is at the ones position. So together they make 17. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, which number is shown? So, which is the correct option? You can see you have given two lines that have the 10 small, right? You have 10 lines that have, you have two lines that have 10 small lines. So, they make two tens and one, two, three, four, five, six. Two tens and six ones, right? So, together they make the digit 26. So, the correct option is 20, 26, right? Okay, the next one is what number is shown, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? You have only, yes, together they make 17. You have only one line for the tens and seven single blocks. So together they make 17. Which number is shown? Which is the correct option? You have three lines that represent tens and no ones. It is 30, right? You have only three lines that represents the 10. You have no ones, right? So that means that represents 10. That would be 30. The correct option is 30. What number is shown? Which is the correct option? You have one tens and three ones. So they make 13. The correct option is very good, 13. Okay, the next one is what number is shown? Which is the correct option? Yes, it makes 15. The correct option is 15. Okay, what number is shown? Which is the correct option? You have two tens and one, two, three, four, five, six, seven ones. So together they make two tens and seven ones. They make 27. The correct option is 27, right? Okay, what number is shown? Which is the correct option? One tens and one, two, three, four, five, nine ones. So together they make 19. The correct option is 19, right? Okay, what number is shown? Which is the correct option? So you have only one tens and eight ones. So the correct option is yes, it is 18. Very good. What number is which is the correct option? One tens and two ones, right? So it makes 12. The correct option they make is 12. What number is shown? Which is the correct option? You have two tens and two ones, right? You can see you have two lines for the tens and two single blocks. So together they make 22. That means ones is digit is 2 and tens digit is 2. So they make 22. Got it? Okay, what number is shown? Which is the correct option? Yes, it is. Four tens and four ones and two tens. So together they make 24. The correct option is 24. Okay, what number is shown? Which is the correct option? So what number is shown? Which is the correct option? You have just two lines for the tens, right? That means you are given two tens and no ones. So when you have not given with the ones, that is yes, that is zero. So together they make 20. The correct option is 20. Very good. What number is shown? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option?
You have two tens and only one ones. So together they make 21. The correct option is 21. Okay, what number is shown? You are given only the blocks for ones. How many? One, two, three, four, five, six. So that means the digit they make is just a six. Yes, you have just six blocks, six single blocks, right? So they make six. It is. They are six in number. They make six. Okay, what number is shown? Which is the correct option? You have just one, two, three, four, five single blocks, right? That makes five. The correct option is five, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 1 math. What's wrong? Okay, so we're working on grade 1 math. The chapter we're working on is place values. The lessons we have covered today are write numbers as tens and ones, convert between tens and ones, and place value models up to 100, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So we still have some time. If you have any questions, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please ask question if you have any. Any questions? No questions? My score? Okay, I mean, let me just see my score. Then I will tell you. I have, I think, 60,000, more than 60,000. Okay, my score is 62,060. Now please send me the gift. Okay, I'm waiting for the gift. Okay, then that's all for today. Bye, everyone.